If you watch one Google website ad, you will earn $3.50. If you watch 10 Google ads, you will make $35 over and over again. And as you can see, I have already made about $900 from these Google website ads. So to earn money like this, the first step is to come over to this website that we are going to be using today to make money online watching Google ads. Now I'm going to show you how you can earn $3.50 just for watching a Google website ad. And later, I am also going to show you how you can automate the work so you can earn from other people watching those ads. Now as you can see here, if you click where it says cash out, you can see that they have different payment methods for different people around the world. For example, you can withdraw your money using PayPal, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, or directly to your bank account. And the minimum you can withdraw is only 50 cents, which you can easily make. Now if you are from the United States or from the UK, you can also withdraw your earning through Amazon gift cards. But you don't have to worry about all these for now. You can just use PayPal. It's the easiest way to withdraw your earnings. If you don't have one, just head over to paypal.com and you can easily create an account there. It's completely free and also works in most of the countries. Now let's go back to the website, and the first thing you want to do is to create your account, which is very easy to do. Just hit where it says join free today and it's going to take you to this page where you should fill out some simple information about yourself. Then scroll down, press no to the newsletters, agree to the terms and condition, press I am not a robot box, and just simply complete your registration. Once you do that and verify your email, just log in with your email and password, and this is how the homepage will look like. And the good thing is that they will pay you 25 points as a sign-up bonus for completely free. Now, this website has different ways of earning money online, and one of them is actually watching Google website ads. Like I said, you will see here different ways to make money from this website, but I don't want you to get lost and get confused, so we will go straight to making money online by just watching Google ads. As you can see here, we have different featured offers where you can earn points. 1,000 points, 2,000 points, 5,000 points, and even 11,000 points. There are unlimited offers here. You can also see what other people are earning from the website recently. But there's a special area on this site that is going to get you paid to watch Google website ads. And that's where you can make the most amount of money. So what you want to do is go here where it says earn points and then go to quick points. Now select this option where it says click on URLs to earn easy points. It will then take you to this next page. Now basically what you will have to do is click this green button where it says view and then watch a quick ad and points will start adding to your account that you can then exchange for real money. So for example, if we click on this add view option, a new page will open on your browser. And on this page, you can see this text here. Please check the CAPTCHA box to proceed to the destination page. So, you need to press this I am not a robot box and press continue to proceed. Once you do that, you will be taken to a Google website where you can read the article on some topic. And in that article, you will see some Google ads, which you can completely ignore. But make sure you do not close the ads showing on the top or on the bottom of the website, because if you do so, you will not get paid any money. And the good thing is that you only need to stay on this website for just 5 seconds. Once the 5 seconds are over, you just need to click on this get link button showing on this page. And it will then take you to another Google website where you can also watch the Google ads. Just close this website too after 5 seconds and come back to our main website. As you can see, we have been already credited with the points here. And as you can see here, short links reset every 24 hours. So every 24 hours, there will be new ads that you can watch and earn points from. Also, you don't have to download anything. You just have to watch Google ads, and that's it. Now to watch all of these ads here, it won't take you something more than 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's move to the third step, which is to use referrals to earn money with this site, where I will show you how you can get paid by other people actually clicking these buttons and watching the Google ads, and then you receive a portion of their earnings. This is the most important part, and this is actually how I personally make money with this website. But before we do that, let me real quick show you another way to earn points by just watching ads. So you want to go to earn points again, and this time select featured offers from here. Now, you can find here different types of offers, but sometimes you can also find ads that you can watch. One thing you need to keep in mind before you start any offer here is that the offer stats of that particular offer is good. That is, the number of clicks and the numbers of conversions ratio showing in the offer's stats must be good, such as, this offer here has a stats of 17:13, which means 17 people clicked on this offer and 13 people actually completed the offer and got paid, which is considered as a good ratio of offer stats. Whereas in this offer, over 700 people clicked this offer, but only 2 people actually completed the offer and got paid for that, which shows that there might be something wrong with the offer or this offer might be difficult to complete. Now the points you will earn will depend on your country. The more developed your country is, the more points you will earn. But for now, let's go back to the homepage to show you how referrals work. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have a referral program. Now just hit this orange box where it says, see your referrals, and it will take you to this page. As you can see, it says refer and get paid, invite your friends, and tell them how easy it is to earn online. Every person that you invite to the website, you will earn 15% commission from their earnings. So for example, if someone earns $100, you will get $15. If someone earns $1,000, you will get $150, and so on. You literally have to do no work, except for inviting them to the website. By the way, the name of the website is called getpaidto.com. And this site is available in almost all countries around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, I will share with you my own strategy of how I generate thousands of referrals every single day for completely free, and you can start doing it today itself. So the first thing you need to do is click here to copy your referral link, and once you do that, the step number 4 is to go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now, go to the search bar and type in Make Money Online in this box. Scroll down a little bit and select the Groups option. Then, choose the Public Groups option from there. Now, you will only see the public groups on the right-hand side. And the benefit of choosing public groups is that public groups will let you join without having to wait for being accepted. Now as you can see, there are many of these Make Money Online groups, so let's just click on any one of these groups. Let's say, this one for example. And now, what I want you to do first is, I want you to make sure that the group has a lot of members. The bigger the group is, the more money you are going to make. And you also want to make sure that there is good engagement on the group. So, this one for example is doing great. It has a lot of people engaging, commenting, and liking the posts of this group. But you don't want to just spam your link here, like what these other people are doing. What you want to do is, go to create a post, and then say something like, I recently discovered a brand new website that lets you earn money just by watching ads. And then say something like, DM me info if you want me to send you the details. But this is just an example. Of course you can also say something else similar and make it even better. This strategy is very powerful. Once they DM you on your profile, you can then send them your referral link privately. What you can also do is include an image on your post with proof of payment, just like what these other people are doing here. That's going to get you even more engagement and of course, more people to join from your link, which will make you more money. And you can find those payment proof images from Google if you search for them in the search bar. That's how you join people through your referral link in a tricky way, instead of just spamming your referral link on groups, which will just get you banned from the groups. Now, I want you to follow up with people when you message them and answer all their questions, just to make sure that they know how to use the website and everything. I am sure if you use all steps shown in this video, you will earn $3.50 per Google ad you watch. But keep in mind, you can earn some bucks here and there using this method, but you can't expect to make for watching.